In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Fortinet Firewall warranty. Whether you're an IT professional or just someone who wants to keep their network equipment in check, knowing the warranty status of your devices is crucial. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you have all the information you need. First, you'll want to navigate to the Fortinet website. Open your web browser and head over to the official Fortinet support page. This is where you can access all the necessary tools and information for managing your Fortinet products. Once you're on the Fortinet website, the next step is to log in to your Fortinet account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as this will give you access to your dashboard where all your registered products are listed. Now that you're logged in and on your dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. There, you'll find a down arrow button labeled Services. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Asset Management. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage and monitor all your Fortinet products. After selecting Asset Management, proceed by clicking on Product List. This will display a comprehensive list of all the Fortinet products registered under your account. Here, you'll be able to see vital details such as the serial number, product model, asset groups, and a description for each device. More importantly, you'll also find the days to expiration and registration dates, which are essential for understanding your warranty status. Now, if you're interested in more in-depth details about your warranty, there's a handy feature you can use. Look for the option labeled More Views under the section About to Expire. This allows you to filter products based on how soon their warranty is expiring. You can choose to view products that are set to expire in the next 30, 60, or 90 days. This is particularly useful for planning ahead and ensuring that your critical devices remain covered. Following these steps will keep you informed about your Fortinet Firewall warranty status, helping you maintain smooth operations and avoid any unexpected downtime. Don't forget to check this information regularly, especially if you manage a large network of devices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Fortinet products. Remember, staying proactive with your warranties is key to effective network management.